personal preferences. So I get to be a personal, deliberate creator. And you also said, and I know that my
Good morning, everybody. I am continuing with my series for my sixth house placement issue. I'm working on developing day-to-day routines and more structure in my life. And so I work from home. So one of the things that I've been doing is, even though I work from home, I want to, get up and make sure I am doing my daily routine. So I've already gotten dressed. I have my little dress on, and I'm working, but as I'm working, I'm cleaning my brushes. I'm going to put makeup on, and one of the tips that I wanted to just talk about real quick, if you don't already do this, one way to keep your brushes clean is to have, I just use alcohol. I put alcohol in one of these little sprayers, and I spray it on my brushes, and I just clean them off, and it cleans them off really well, kind of disinfects them, and then I can use them again. And I'll do a more thorough clean later or whatever, but I don't really use makeup too much or too often, so my brushes don't get terribly dirty. So rather than wash them with soap and all that stuff every time when I don't use them or use a lot of products with them, it's better to just clean them more briefly with alcohol and then get going. And so I have my little makeup here set up to just put it on while I work, and I just have dollar store stuff because I don't and have not really used makeup in my past, but I'm getting into it now, so I'm just going to get proficient with it with the cheap stuff, and then as I get frustrated with perhaps its quality or the difficult nature of using cheaper stuff, I'll upgrade as needed. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you my process, things I'm going through to address my sixth house placement, and the reason I'm documenting it is basically it's part of working with the sixth house placement. It's forcing me to develop a routine, and using this as kind of a monitor to keep me doing the routine. So if I share it, I'm more likely to do it. And so documenting it is part of my process. So that's pretty much it for now. I just wanted to share that, and if anybody else has a strong sixth house placement for their planets or whatever, please share. And it'd be cool to talk about how you're addressing your sixth house placement. Okay, well, thank you, and talk to you later. Bye.